Okay, next sum, different sum. Sin theta equal to 15 by 17. Then evaluate this fraction. Okay, how to evaluate it? Okay, sin theta equal to 15 by 17. That means what is sin theta? Sin theta means that is opposite of angle theta, opposite side of angle theta by a hypotenuse, by hypotenuse. That means opposite side. Where is the opposite side? Let us consider one right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay, now sin theta means opposite side of theta. Where is the opposite side of theta? That is BC. That equal to 15 parts. And by 17. 17 means what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to 17. This is opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side of theta 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Now we have to find out the another side. How? Already know by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. That means AC square equal to side square plus side square. Okay, so that means 17 square equal to AB square, we don't know, plus BC square 15 square. 17 square 289 is equal to AB square plus 15 square. 15 ja 225 plus 225 of transposition minus 225 is equal to AB square. So therefore AB square equal to 64. 289 minus 224, 225, that equals 64. 64 means 8 square. Therefore AB equal to how many units? 8 units. So here AB equal to 8 units. So first of all, we have to find out all the values of right angle triangle. What are they? Two sides and hypotenuse. Okay, now we have to find out all these. Okay, so that equal to 15 into cot theta. What is meant by cot theta? Cot theta means that is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. So cot theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Where is the adjacent side? Where is the adjacent side? 8 by opposite side. Opposite side means 50. Okay, so cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side of the theta. Here adjacent side is 8 by 50. And you have to find sine, already we got it, and find out tan theta. Tan theta means the reciprocal of cot theta. Reciprocal of cot theta, or opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side of theta is 50 by adjacent side 8. So simply write the reciprocal. This is 8 by 15. Reciprocal 15 by 8. Okay, cot over, sine over, and tan over. Now secant theta. Secant theta means opposite angle of opposite ratio of cos theta. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Secant means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Here hypotenuse equal to 17 by adjacent side. Okay, now we have to substitute all the values in the given fraction. Okay, what is that? Therefore 15 cot theta plus 17 sin theta by 8 tan theta plus 16 secant theta is equal to 15 cot theta. That means 15 into cot theta means 8 by 15. plus 17 sin theta. Sin theta equal to 15 by 17. Already given. By 8 into tan theta. Tan theta means 15 by 8. Plus 16 into secant theta. 17 by 8. 15 cancel. 17 cancel. That equal to 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 by 8 cancel. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja. So 15 plus 72 ja 34. Totally 15 plus 8 23 by 15 plus 34. That means 9 49. So 23 by 49 is the result. Okay. Okay, next one. Different model. 3 tan A equal to 4. Find sin A and cos A. Okay. So 3 tan A is equal to 4. Tan A equal to 4 by 3. What is meant by tan A? Tan A means opposite side of A by adjacent side of A. Opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. We have to make one right angle triangle. Okay, right angle at P like A, C. So opposite side of angle A, that means 4, and adjacent side of angle A, that is 3. Okay, you know two sides, one is 4 and one is 3. Now we have to find out its hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So that means AC square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. That means 9 plus 16. So AC square equal to 25. That means 5 square. So therefore AC equal to how much? 5. Hypotenuse equal to 5. You now have to find sin A and cos A. Sin A means what? That is opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side of A? That is 4 by hypotenuse means 5. Cos A means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side? That is 3. Adjacent side by hypotenuse 5. Okay.